I need to clean this up. I need to clean this up. I need to clean this up. Remember when I said I drink a lot of soda? Yeah, I need to clean this up. It's disgusting. And last but not least, I need to clean this up and organize it. But I'm feeling very demotivated, so I'm gonna ride this Peloton. I've been sitting on my ass for like 8 months. I lost weight, but only because I haven't been eating McDonald's every night at 1 in the morning. But I can feel my muscle deteriorating from straight chilling. I'm gonna try and get in shape here. Healthy body, healthy mind. Healthy body, healthy mind. Sweat. 15 minutes on that bike. Whew, hallelujah. My knee is real bad. Every time I go on like a hike or something like that, I can feel that, I don't know. I don't have very much strength in my right knee. Probably from skateboarding and not doing it very well. But yeah, my knee's fucked, so. Every time I ride that bike, I can feel it. I always want to ride for like 45 minutes, but you gotta know your limits, right? Hopefully I'll get there soon. But man, do I want to change everything about my circumstances. And I think it starts with that horrible investment of a Peloton. If you use it, not a bad investment. If it just sits there, it's a horrible investment. So let's try to get our monies out of it, huh? This is my best friend, did you? Well, I have felt like the vlog has been lacking some content, and Mother Nature decided to give it to me. I just experienced my first actual, like, pretty gnarly earthquake. I'm pretty shaken up right now. I do have like a light source, but my power's out, my internet's out. Everything in my house just shook in the most terrifying way I've ever felt in my entire life. I'm really interested to find out how this rates on the Richter scale, because that just scared the shit out of me. And my camera was laying on the ground. I didn't even think to grab it as it was happening. I just like grabbed onto my stuff like that was big enough to fall over. I have that huge rack. I have that tool chest, and I was trying to find my cats and make sure they weren't like under something, and it lasted for like 40 seconds, it felt like. Probably wasn't that long, but it sure felt like 40 seconds of just everything in my house shaking and falling. Randy's toolbox fell over. It's like a 600-pound toolbox. Probably one of the most terrifying things I've ever experienced.
We start with that powerful earthquake in Humboldt County. The magnitude 6.4 quake hit near the Humboldt County town of Ferndale around 2:30 this morning.
Windows are broken, roads have buckled, and that is not all. Sadly, 2 people have also died and at least a dozen others are hurt.
One of the only reasons I want a private jet is so that I can take my cats with me everywhere I go. It's the hardest part of pulling out and like leaving when I'm going on a trip, is saying bye to my cats. I know it's kind of lame or corny or whatever, but I love them and I want to take them with me. But yeah, I'm coming to Columbus. I'm heading out right now. My flight's delayed by an hour, but I should be still getting there on time. I just have a shorter layover in Denver. No big deal. I'm stoked to come home. I'm stoked to see you guys. Surprise. I'll be home for Christmas. By the time you see this, I'm gonna already be there though, so stoked to see you. I'm here at the airport. My flight is delayed by 1 hour. I have an hour layover in Denver, so if it gets delayed by any more than that, things might get kind of sticky. I hope they don't. I really just want to get there. I'm super tired. I'm so tired. I haven't slept. I'm so tired. But Merry Christmas, baby. Coming home. I'll get there. I'll get there. There's a baby in here that has squeaky shoes, and the mom is like encouraging the baby to run around. And it might be some of the most inconsiderate shit I've ever seen in my life, and it's hilarious. Supposed to leave at 12:59. It's now 2:30. Like I said, I only have an hour layover in Denver, so I'm 30 minutes over that right now. I don't know if I'm actually gonna make it home tonight. I'm gonna be really bummed if I don't. Really bummed. Thank you very much, brother. Have a good one. Merry Christmas. Nice, I made it to Columbus. I didn't think I was gonna make it.
Some say their flights are canceled, others say so far they're still on. According to FlightAware, there are 308 cancellations here at Denver International, so far as well as 59 delays. We spoke to one passenger who's been here since noon yesterday. He had a 5:30 flight and he sat on the tarmac for hours before it was canceled. Now his next flight is not out until 8:30 tonight.
My flight from Arcata to Denver got delayed by 2 hours, and I only had an hour layover. And when I got to Denver, they had the gate closed, and they were like, "We're not doing any more boarding." And I'm like, "You're supposed to be waiting for me." "Waiting for you? Are you a woman in a wheelchair?" I said, "No." "So then I'm not supposed to be waiting for you. The only person I'm waiting for is a woman in a wheelchair." "All right." "Okay. Do I get on this plane?" She was like, "No, you're not getting on the plane. You're gonna have to get on one tomorrow." And she was being so mean. And then some cool ass dude came out and was just like, "Hey, you getting on the plane?" I was like, "I'm trying, but this lady says I can't." And eventually, he told me that she was just being a dick because she was having a bad day. My buddy Sam Roberts is here to pick me up. He's in his Paris RAV4. Sam. Sam's here, my ride's here. Wow. It's actually fucking cold. It's like really, really fucking cold. I almost didn't bring a winter coat. What up, Sam?
What's good, brother?
I almost didn't bring a winter coat, dude.
Yeah. Definitely good that you did.
Yeah.